I feel deeply disturbed by the fact that a friend that I know for such a long time, who was trying to portray a positive image of this beautiful country to foreign travelers, and who seemed so trustworthy, could do such a vile, such a horrible act. And I am not sure if I can ever recover from the mental scars, but I hope there will be brought justice to this case. I am not going to lie, the legal proceedings are very stressful, very exhausting. That so far they have been quite smooth, quite efficient, but I really hope it will continue this way and it will eventually lead to justice.